Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a Barbie haul. That sounds super funny to me. But it's things that are all like themed with Barbie, and that has been in lately, and I've been obsessed with it because for obvious reasons, Barbie's my name, so I've been loving it. So I had to wear this Barbie shirt that Carola got for me. I think it was either Christmas or my birthday, I don't remember which one, but it's like a crop top kind of shirt, and it says Barbie. I don't know if you can see, it has like silver lining, and then it has like the little Barbie logo, and then on the bottom and on the sleeves here, these sleeves are 3/4, and it has like these little scallop, I guess, details. So I've been loving everything that has to do with the Barbie theme, you know. So I did get a couple of things. I already have another shirt that I had gotten before, which I don't have it here to haul for you guys, but I've already worn it. It's the pink one with the white Barbie name, which I really, really love as well. And then the other day, I went on Route 21. I don't remember what I was looking for. I don't remember if I was looking for Barbie specific stuff and I just came across this, or what the issue was. I don't remember. But I came across a couple of things all Barbie themed, so I had to get them. So the first thing I was so excited to find was this hat, and it's black and it says Barbie in hot pink. I hope it's picking up. And I was so happy when I saw this because I had originally seen like a while back on the Charming Charlie website this Barbie hat, but it was like a denim colored. It was so pretty. If I have a picture, I will insert it here because I take pictures of things that I want so I don't forget. So I was so obsessed with that one, and I was not able to find it afterwards. And of course now Charming Charlie's closed, so even worse. And I don't remember how much this was, but I know it wasn't that expensive. So I was so excited to find this. Look how cute. I freaking love this. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. This thing is this hot pink hoodie sweater, and look how beautiful the pink is. So it says Barbie, like from top to bottom, I mean from bottom to top. You see, very pretty. And those are like the letters that I remember. I don't remember like any of this cursive ones. Even though I might be wrong. I might have seen, but I do remember this one a lot from when I was little. And then it also has, does it have pockets on the sides? No, it doesn't have pockets on the sides, but it does have a hood and this, and I'm loving it. I can't wait to wear it like here whenever we get a little bit of cold weather. All right, and then lastly, I found some like makeup related items that were Barbie themed as well. I couldn't believe it. So first thing, I loved this when I found it. I was like, I have to have it. And they are these Barbie press-on nails. Look at this, guys. Are you kidding me? Look how cute they are. So they have like the Barbie name. They also have like the lips, which I absolutely love. You guys know I love the lip stuff. And they have pink. They have like a marble print one right here. Hot pink. Oh my God, they're so cute. It comes with 24 pieces, and I'm like obsessed with it. I'm here like, should I wear these or should I just keep them like as a keepsake or something? No, but I'm probably gonna end up wearing them because I love these so much. I should have gotten 2 pairs, one for like a keepsake and the other one, you know. And then I was super excited to find this Barbie eyeshadow palette. Look at that, how cute. I loved that. I was like, oh my God. And then the colors are even cuter. So you get this like gorgeous, nice mirror here. I don't remember how much any of this stuff was. So this palette is originally $12.99, but I think I had a discount code or something and I got it for $9.74. That is an amazing deal. Look at how pretty the lip print is. The colors are so pretty. Look how pretty those colors are, guys. And they're huge, like huge little pans. So you get a bunch of colors. The color names are Dream, Party, Malibu, Dream House, Doll, Mermaid, Ballerina, Barbie Pink, Ken, and Fashionista. So those are it right there. Very, very pretty. So I was excited to get that. The press-on nail pack was $4.63, so like an amazing deal for this. The hat was $10 and the hoodie was $27.85. You guys know that Pure also did like a little collab with Barbie, and they came out with a few things, and the packaging, guys, is just insane. So I got like the 3 lippies that I wanted to try, and I also got the highlighter palette and the complexion brush. So I'm like so excited to show you guys this. Like even the packaging is gorgeous. Like this packaging is like rose gold with white, if you guys can see that. And it says Forever Flawless, and it has like her little like logo thing here. I'm like obsessed, obsessed. The brush is so beautiful. I don't even want to use it. These, I don't remember how much they were because I don't have the receipt for these. So look how gorgeous this is. It's like white with rose gold. And then if you can see, I hope you got, there you go. You can see that it has like the little Barbie logo in pink. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to use this. And then it says here, Pure times Barbie. So, so pretty. And it feels soft and nice. And I love rose gold and white. That combination is beautiful. So then now I'm going to show you guys the Pure and Barbie Dream Glow Signature Highlighter Palette. That just looks absolutely gorgeous already. All right, so, and even here, look how pretty this looks. So I'm like head over heels, you know, anything that has my name on it. So the packaging is like absolutely amazing. Look at this packaging, guys. Look at all that glitter. And this out here, like the hardware stuff, is rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is definitely rose gold. And then look how beautiful, like all these little crystals and what do you call it? And like glitter and stuff. Oh my God, so beautiful. And then you get a beautiful, like a great sized mirror, and then this is the highlighter. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So like you kind of get like 3 colors in here, but I imagine that you're supposed to like mix them together. So I'm gonna do like a little swatch. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is definitely like a gorgeous highlight. Oh my God. I want this on my face. And it's all pinky. Oh my God, I need to try this. Should I use like a fan brush or something? I don't know, maybe I should use a fan brush. So like, let me try to put some of this on my face. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so pretty. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm so glad that I got it. I'm so glad that I got it because just the packaging is like, and now we're gonna move on to these lipsticks. The packaging for this is just like, I'm so happy that they did this with the packaging because I feel like it's mine, you know, because it's like my name. So like, I feel like, oh my God, this is like exactly what I would do if this was my, like, you know, makeup line or like my collab or something, you know. Look at how gorgeous this packaging is. This is like so me, like, oh my God, look how beautiful that is. I love it. And then the lipstick is like in the middle here. And this one is classic. So like you have to push down and then it'll come out. And then let me show you the detail here, guys, because this is insane. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Wow. So this is in the color Classic. Look at that beautiful color. Love this. So this is in the color Classic. The next one is in the color Timeless. Same concept, of course. Push down, it comes out. And I'm going to show you detail on this one as well, so you guys can kind of see. Oh Oh my gosh, I just love this. Whoever came up with this idea is doing me justice. Doing my name justice. So this is Timeless. Absolutely gorgeous color. And the last one I picked up was Legendary. I love it. I love it. Same. And oh my God, what a beauty. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And they're soft and creamy. So this is Legendary right here. Absolutely obsessed. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. I am so happy that I picked something up from here because I would have been really pissed if I didn't, because I'm just like obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. So beautiful, oh my God. Okay guys, so after all of that little haul, I have a little surprise for you. I decided to pick up an extra eyeshadow palette for you guys from the Rue 21. It's in the little packaging here. And it's the same exact one. I'm going to show you the colors again. So these are it right here. Super exciting. So I wanted to do this little giveaway for you guys because I thought you guys would also love and enjoy this as much as I do. So I'm going to be giving one of these away to you guys. The only thing I'm asking you guys to do is to be subscribed and have your subscriptions public. And you're also gonna ask me a question down below for a Q&A. And remember to do both, because if you don't do the question, then I don't really know that you're entering. So make sure there's a question in the comments down below for a Q&A video. So I wish you guys the best of luck. I wanted to make it easy and simple. So just make sure you're subscribed and that your subscriptions are public and that you ask me a question in the comments down below. So I'm gonna have this going for about 1 week. Today is Saturday, September 21st, and I'll have it go until next Saturday, the 28th. So that way by the 30th, which is Monday, I can have your palette shipped to you in the mail. This is gonna be open internationally. Anybody in the world can enter. You guys know that I follow through with my giveaways no matter where in the world you are, and I love giving back to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway, and I wish you the best of luck, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, my loves.